Yeah, hi. Today we're going to be looking at feature points, and I've done some videos about this before. So we're going to show you today how you can pull money out of feature points, and hopefully that's going to go okay because we're going to do it live for the very first time, and we're going to record everything we do step by step. Also, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to share some tips with you of how I've obviously managed to be able to pull out some money through feature points and what I have done to do that. And also, I'm also going to be sharing my top recommendation if you wanted to take things a bit further and start your own online business. So let's head over to FeaturePoints website where I'll go through and we'll show you how you can get a payout, and we're going to show you the payment proof. Okay, so before we dive into showing you and going through how you withdraw and get some cash out of feature points, let me just say for anybody who's new to feature points, we're just going to run through quickly what it is and how you can actually make money. So if you come to the feature points website here, featurepoints.com, and then you would need to just sign up with your email address, and you'd need an invitation code as well, and I'll put an invitation code in the description below here, and I'll also put it in the first comment as well, so you can easily find it there as well. So you can just use that and you'll automatically then should get 50 points straight away as soon as you use my referral code. So once you signed up, you will be doing contests, you will be doing surveys, completing surveys, you will earn cash back on certain things, you will get money for downloading apps, and you can also earn money by sharing this with friends and family, etc. as well. And then you can redeem your points. There's loads of different ways where you can redeem the points: Amazon, PayPal, the App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, etc. Feature points have been going since about 2012, and they've actually got a great rating at the moment, which is 4.5 out of 5 on the Trust Pilot. But I'll put a video at the end of this video, which will go into a little bit more detail about that, all their stuff with feature points. So if you want to know more about that, hang on to the end of this video, and then you can watch the next video, which will come up, which will go into more detail. But today, we're obviously going to go across and we're going to try and pull some money out through the points that I've actually earned. So we've come into my feature points dashboard here. As you can see, my name here, and as you can see, I've got 11,000 points here that I've gathered over a few months. And what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to go to spend points bit here on the side, and we're actually going to look at the cash. So we're going to go to cash, and as you can see, we've got PayPal offer here. So we're going to just click on PayPal, and as you can also see here, you can also use your Visa card. Okay, and once you click on an amount, say for argument's sake $10 here, that is worth 6,000 points. Now, as you can see here, I've got 7,700 actual points still being available, and I've obviously got 3,400 pending. One thing to look out for here is your payment email. Your payment will be sent to the account email address. So in other words, whatever account you sign up for here has really got to match your PayPal address. So we're going to try and do mine. I've got a couple of email addresses associated with my PayPal, and one of those I've signed in with for the feature points. So we're going to try and use that right now. So let's quickly head through and see how we go. So as you can see here, it says redeem your 6,000 points. So we just click on redeem, and it says there again, please ensure that email matches your PayPal account and your PayPal account is in good standing. And then you just got to say buy reward for 6,000 points. Okay, so when we get to this, we obviously need to confirm our password. So let's see if I can find out my password here. And I'm not a robot. And then obviously we've got to click on the traffic lights, so we can do that quite easily. Click next, and it wants you to do more traffic lights there. And we should be good to go. There we go, and then we can just submit. There we go. So it says here your reward is being processed and should be available soon. Please check your account page shortly. Okay, so if we go back to that, as you can see, my points have gone down to 5,000, so it should have gone through, no problem there, guys. Okay, so while we're just quickly waiting for that to hopefully go through, and hopefully that will go through so you can see that, I just want to basically show you that as you can see, like I say, there's loads of different ways you can earn money here, but I've actually earned very little money from the way you would normally do it. Like I say, in the surveys you've got offers here, you can earn cash on different things if you buy. The way I've actually done most of this cash is I've actually shared it with friends, and I've actually done a YouTube videos on my YouTube account and actually shared this link, and then that has got me people that have come in, and as you can see, I've had quite a few referrals that have come in. And then what you do, you actually can earn 50% of the points that your referrals actually earn. And as you can see here, like a couple of days ago, a few days ago, one referral actually got quite a lot of points, and I've got 1,169 points there, and I've also got 413 points there coming from a few days ago as well. So as you can see, this is how I've earned my points. This is a great way of doing it on a passive way, guys, because I'm not actually taking any surveys or anything like that. I'm just referring it out. And what you can do, you can go and make a video. You can use your iPhone, smartphone, or anything like that. Just record yourself, obviously show the benefits of the feature points, and then obviously put your referral link in the comments below the video. And that's all you have to do. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to, so that's what I would recommend that you do, and then you would obviously be able to earn points a lot quicker. Okay, so as you can see here, we have got our PayPal expected soon, and that's pending. Let you know in the comments when this goes through, but it looks like it's going to take probably 48 hours to probably go through. That's what it normally does take. So I'm presuming I'll let you know as soon as I get confirmation. So before I go, I wanted to show you as well. I promised you that I would show you how I was earning money as well, and how you could build into a business. And that's doing affiliate marketing, where you're actually promoting other people's products and getting paid a commission. And the system I use for that, or you could use for that, is the OLSP system. And this basically is a training system, which means that you can actually go and learn all about affiliate marketing, and they give you the tools and show you everything you need to do in the training, and then you can obviously promote the OLSP system as well as part of it, as well as you can promote other products and services as well. And as you can see, I've earned just over $450 so far on the OLSP system, and they'll also give you $20 just for completing their boot camp. Okay, so the boot camp training is just 15 videos you just go through. Once you've watched it, you actually get $20 into your commission area here. And you also get a certificate as well to say you are a traffic dominator. And then it opens up all of these other training and all of these other tabs here as you go through the boot camp. But so certainly check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below here as well for my #1 recommendation. And if this obviously suits you as well, and you think this could be something you want to expand into a full-time business, then that's something you can do. Okay, I trust you found that video useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the old like button. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel now, hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, which is even more about feature points, and we will see you on the next video.